if one of us doesn't have the title, another one does. Taylor, what is going to happen to Kirkland Passer today?
Well, you know, you and me went out for blizzards earlier. It was very nice, and you know, we were talking, we were getting in there, and I feel like I'm gonna take a Jurassic chomp out of Kirkland like I did my blizzard.
Oh yeah. You don't have more?
You know, I also think
I literally paused.
we're when we turn on that Xbox, you know, Xbox just it speaks to me. I'm wearing green. Xbox is green, and you know, it does something to my hands, and it just is like it's like, you know, when you're in Lord of the Rings and you're
You gotta stop. You gotta start over. I'm laughing too much.
it does something to my hands.
Okay, go ahead. Go.
When you're in Lord of the Rings and you're the king of Rohan and you've been brainwashed by Saruman and you can't remember what it's like to touch a sword, but then when you get snapped out of it. Oh, Taylor. Good start.
It's getting worse. That was so much worse. Okay.
You good? So yeah, you're the. I love such a roll.
You're so serious before.
What? You got it?
I got it.
Do you need me? Okay.
I got it. So you forget how to touch a sword, but then all of a sudden.
No, wait a second though. You didn't set up the whole story.
I know, I'm still going.
You have to, no, because when we do laughing, you'd have to start from the beginning. Because right now you're starting a story, so you forgot to touch the sword.
Okay, I'll start from the beginning. So, like, how far should I start? After I said I fried my hands thing? Right?
I don't know.
Okay, I'm gonna start after the hands.
Just start from the beginning.
Okay. So yeah, just remembering what it's like to put a controller in my hands, it just does something to my memory. So it's like when the king of Rohan, you know. Okay. Ah! So yeah, it's like when you are possessed by Saruman, you're the king of Rohan, and now you're just there, you're old, you forgot how to handle your sword, and a guy comes along.
I had it, so you did that. Oh!
Okay.
Okay, everyone be quiet. Me and Taylor are going. So, Taylor, we are here. Last year you main evented Geek Mania, and here I am. I main evented Geek Mania for the Wolf Order. Will I be taking the title home to the Wolves?
Yeah. You're gonna throw anything else to me there?
I thought you would just keep going.
Help him out, dude.
Okay, everyone quiet. I'll throw to you again. I'll throw. And how satisfying? How
Satisfied! How satisfied are you?
I need something. These massive, big, sexy. I'm gonna do it again. These massive, big, sexy soul. Fuck! I can't say sexy soul. I can't say.
Shoulders?
I'm gonna say arms. I'm gonna go with arms because I'm not being able to say soul.
Soldier.